everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely beautiful 1969 Dodge Super Bee. Wicked cool car, guys. I actually bought and sold this car, I think it was around 2017 I bought this car originally. Bought it locally here, sold it to a guy locally, and then just bought it back. Beautiful car, man. It's about a 10-year-old body up restoration. Very nicely done. Super slick car. Factory B5 blue car. You can see it's got the white tail stripe. It's got the factory two-tone interior that's all new, legendary seat covers and everything. But really nicely done car. Matching numbers, engine and trans. You can see it's got the super cool side scoops on it, Magnum 500 wheels. It's got the Ramcharger hood, and this car is slick. The only thing I can tell you, the choke's a little heavy on this car. I'm a little apprehensive to kind of mess with it because it's been sitting in storage and hasn't been driven in a few months. But we've got weather kind of bearing down on us, so we're just going to try to get through the video, and I'll have Steve take a look at that car, but I don't want to adjust it a whole lot right now. Fender mount turn signals on it. I'll tell you, it seems like everything on it works except for the backup lights. It's got a nice little cam to it, and like I say, super straight down the sides. Just a good looking car. Documented by Galen with a build sheet or broadcast sheet. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. Both of the guys that I know that have had it have just kept this car beautiful. It's just a little waxing and wiping, guys. Chrome and stainless is nice. Again, matching numbers, 3D3 car, factory Ramcharger hood. Car hits the road excellent, nice and tight. I think it's a little just drip. We got a little rain slash snow slash ice coming in. A little break there. I believe it has all the original glass except for the front windshield was changed. That rear glass is really nice. Pretty car. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides. I love those side scoops. I believe the car's got all the original body panels still on it. It's got a brand new fuel tank in it. They just did that. Brand new front disc brakes. That was just done. Car would have came with drums. It's got a real nice X-Pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it with the electric cutouts. Pretty car. If you want my only complaint, I'd like to have 15-inch Magnums on this car instead of the 14s, but that's just kind of nitpicking. Again, brand new front disc brakes. Again, matching numbers, 3D3, mild cam in it, stock 4-barrel with a stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. Again, it's got the factory Ramcharger hood, electronic ignition. It's got the Mopar radiator with a shroud. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Matching number, 727 torqueflite automatic trans. It's starting to spit some snow here. We have some bad weather coming. Kind of dripped some rain here a second ago, and then I don't know, just doesn't know what it wants to do. Again, real Super Bee, documented by Galen. Yeah, you can kind of nitpick that a little bit. Shows a little wear, but pretty doggone nice. Same thing with the factory remote driver's mirror. Door handles look good. Door seams are nice and clean on the car. Interior's all brand new. New carpet, new seats. It's all been new seat covers and everything from Legendary. New sill plates. Factory bench seat. And nitpick the steering wheel a little bit. Factory rally dash. 92,000 original miles. All the gauges work. AM radio works. Fan works. The heater works. Dash lights all worked. 8 3/4. It's supposed to be a 323, man. I think it's got a little more gear than that. I think it's a 355 sure grip in the rear. Factory jack with the old bias ply spare in here. Original owner's manuals, broadcast sheet, the Galen documentation. I think there's a window sticker in here. Yeah. It's all, you can see it's got the original installation on the quarters there. It's all body color like it should be. That might be original paint right there, guys. Everything opens and closes real nice. 69B is a good looking car. It's undercoated underneath. That looks to be kind of original. Again, new fuel tank. It's hard to do with gloves. Let's go. Yeah, door seams are nice and clean. Seats are nice. They've definitely been all repadded. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Dash is nice. Dash pad's nice. It's got the switch for underneath for the electric cutouts. Go ahead and start it up, Mike. Couple little marks. You can see it. Same thing on this side with that A-pillar chrome. Nice little cam to it. Yeah, choke's a little heavy, guys. I'll have Steve kind of take a look at that, but I don't want to mess with a lot because it's going to sit in storage. That's a good looking car. Fender mount turn signals do work. Tach works. All your gauges are functional. Brake lights. That's got a good sound. That radio works. You can turn the radio on, yeah. Radio works. Blower motor works, guys. Wipers, headlights, okay guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us, guys. Car.